Did you know that Jupiter was working Jupiter existed before the sun turned on 4.5 billion years ago, as the sun kicked into action and all of this fucking nuclear fission started to happen. Jupiter was out there like, oh hey, I thought I was alone in the dark, but good to see you. And then it got so big it started like pulling its way in towards the sun, powering through all of the dust, sucking it all up as it went. And the only reason that we exist is because Saturn started to form on the other side, went into like a wobble with it gravitationally, and it pulled it back out into the outer solar system. If Saturn didn't occur like that, it would have just plowed through the asteroid belt and all of that dust, and we wouldn't have existed. And it left enough water behind that it ended up forming on our planet. And then we have the gall to think that we have any control over what the fucking universe is doing? Nah, fam. We ain't shit. And that's the most humbling thing of all. Like, if you start becoming an asshole, just think, what would Jupiter think of me? And then Saturn had like a big giant ass moon around it that got too close to Saturn, and then the whole moon was made of ice. It got too close that it cracked and exploded, and that's what made the ring around Saturn. And Saturn is swallowing so much of that material every single second that in like 100 million years the ring around Saturn is not going to exist anymore. Shit's wild. Saturn coming in clutch as fuck to save humanity. That was billions of years ago, but the point still stands. Anyway. So this is the sounds of the planets. I don't know what waves this is in, but they like measured like the radio waves of planets and then translated them into sound. It's just a fun thing. This is not how they actually sound. Don't take it too seriously. Space sounds. This is the sun. Is that how you thought the sun would sound? Just sounds like a giant magnet close to your head. Do magnets make sound? No. Pretty cool. Jack's a simp for Saturn. Yes, I am, and you should be as well. The fact that you don't like Saturn as much as I do kind of concerns me, honestly. This is Mercury. Sounds like Morse code had sex with a demon. Mercury's gearing up to hit 3rd gear in a second. Just turned on its bike. That's Venus! The annoying teenager of the solar system. Venus is basically just a warning sound for Earth that the sun is getting closer, that the heat is on its way. Did you also know that Venus is hotter than Mercury, despite Mercury being way closer? This is a little fun fact for you. Look. We get it, Venus. You like 21 Pilots. Just calm down. This is Earth. It just sounds like a giant pile of wind. This is what we sound like. This is what the rest of space hears us as. Also, Earth is the only planet not named after like a Greek or Roman god or name. Did you ever think about that? It's fucking crazy. Earth just means like dirt. It just means ground. It's like German and English mashed together or something. Mars is kind of lame as well. Mars is like our older brother who's grown up, has done all the cool shit like evolution and water and like atmosphere. They've done it all. Mars is just like a cold, dead, barren land of nothing. It actually sounds like someone's hitting at the outside of a submarine with a hammer. This is Jupiter. It's kind of nice. Kind of sounds like a choir almost. Sounds resonant. Harmonic even. Now, we're going to get to Saturn next. My favorite planet. But Saturn also has the coolest sound in my book. That's cool! That is scary. Yeah, them be demons. Get to Neptune already. That's cool. Sounds kind of creepy. No, the Uranus jokes are done, alright? I'm taking away all of your privileges. Now, me and Evelyn have one episode left of the planets, and it's on Uranus and Neptune, and I'm excited about it. We're gonna watch it after this. Because I like learning. Pluto! Pluto's just out there calling out for help. Poor Pluto! Never stood a chance. Pluto basically is a glorified moon now at this point.